The following screencast will provide a tutorial to JATC apprentices on the process of entering OJT hours. The student login reveals two primary menu options, that of Dashboard and My Education. OJT hours are added and can be edited under My Education. Once this menu option has been selected, the apprentice will choose the second level menu, Work Reports, here to enter hours. A single work report represents a specific month of OJT hours, for example, April of 2011. The apprentice will do one of two things when entering hours for a particular month. If the month doesn't exist in the grid, they can create one by clicking here on Enter New Work Report. Or, if the month does exist, they can open it for editing by simply clicking on this month within the grid. Once the apprentice is into the month adding or editing OJT hours, you will notice that the process for recording these hours is a relatively simple one. The days for the current month are listed on rows going down the page. For example, April 1st, April 2nd, April 3rd, and so on. The columns here represent different labor categories for the apprentice currently logged into the system. In order to preserve space, the labor categories are abbreviated, but the full name for the category can be seen by simply hovering over the column header with your mouse. At this point, you only need to define the actual hours under the respective category. In this example, we'll enter 2 hours in 2 separate categories on the same day. Let's choose April 8th, Friday. 2 hours in this category and 2 hours in this category. You'll notice that the system automatically sums the total number of hours for that given day in this far right-hand column. Once you're complete editing hours in this interface, simply scroll to the bottom of the page where you can click on Save Work Report. The system will return you back to Work Reports Grid where you can see a total for the entire month. As long as the month is not locked, you can continue to come back to this month to edit existing hours or add new ones.